What's behind a tire's tread pattern? The tire's tread pattern, or its tread design, is the arrangement of continuous ribs, independent tread blocks, circumferential and lateral grooves, as well as thin sipes molded into the tread. The science of this pattern is used to fine-tune noise, handling, traction, and wear. Tread patterns follow several basic designs to help them maximize their performance in various driving conditions. These can be divided into 4 different tread pattern categories. Symmetric tread patterns are the most common and feature continuous ribs and/or independent tread blocks across the entire tread face. The symmetry is seen in both inboard and outboard halves of the tread featuring the same pattern. This mirror image design allows the use of multiple tire rotation patterns. An asymmetric tread pattern is designed to blend the requirements of dry grip, as well as water dispersal and mild snow traction where the tread pattern changes across the face of the tire. An asymmetric tread pattern usually incorporates larger tread ribs and/or blocks on the outboard side to provide increased cornering stability on dry roads through greater contact area. This also helps reduce tread squirm and heat buildup on the outside shoulder. The inboard side usually features smaller, independent tread blocks to aid wet and/or winter traction when driving straight ahead. Tires featuring asymmetric tread patterns are also capable of using multiple tire rotation patterns. A directional, also called a unidirectional tread pattern, is designed to perform while rolling in a certain direction. It incorporates lateral grooves on both sides of the tire's centerline that point in the same direction and result in V-shaped tread blocks. These grooves enhance hydroplaning resistance at high speeds by pumping water more efficiently away from the tire contact patch. Because of this directional tread design, unidirectional tires cannot be rotated in the X pattern or cross pattern. Each tire can only be rotated front to rear on either the passenger or driver side of the vehicle, unless they are dismounted and remounted on their wheels in the proper direction. If different sized tires are used on the front versus rear axle, the tires become location-specific and prohibit the tire rotation unless remounted. Asymmetric and directional tread patterns have V-shaped tread grooves that are offset compared to the center line of the tire. Tires featuring asymmetric and directional tread patterns must be treated as directional tires for tire rotation. However, if different sized tires are used on the front or rear axle, they become location-specific and prohibit any tire rotation possibilities. While tires may look similar at first glance, you can easily classify each one into one of these tread pattern categories. It's very important to remember also that the appearance of a tread pattern changes greatly as the tire wears, going from its new to worn state. Your local Acura dealership is your local Acura authorized tire center, and where an Acura-trained technician can install your tires. Ask your Acura service consultant for more information.